Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is your coach Ashutosh for a short talk on coaching towards unconscious competence. I'm sure you would have heard about this old story where IBM wanted some parts delivered for their new computer and they approached a Japanese firm. And a strict quality requirement of IBM was that there should not be more than three defective pieces in a lot of 10,000. The Japanese were wondering, oh my god, how do we fulfill this requirement? And you know what? When the order was shipped, when the delivery was made by this Japanese company to IBM, they shipped 10,000 pieces as is, which were good quality pieces, and they shipped three defective pieces along with it, saying that this is how we are fulfilling your requirement. Our batch processes do not allow for any defect to creep in. So we had to redesign our batch processes for these three defective pieces. So this is what I call as unconscious competence, where quality is a way of life, where success is a habit, and you don't have to take any special efforts to achieve success. Another story, and a very, very inspirational story in the 20th century of a person called Karoli the Hungarian shooter who won two consecutive Olympic gold medals in 25-meter pistol. But that's not the reason why I'm talking about him right now. The reason why I'm talking about Karoli is because during practice for the Olympic Games, he lost his shooting hand, which was his right hand. And you know what? He had to completely adapt on how to go about shooting with the left hand. And in spite of the challenges he faced in this journey, he was successful, and success became a habit not once but twice. In fact, thrice. He won a third medal in the subsequent Olympics also, though it was not a gold medal. So as you can see, these are the inspirational stories which help us coach our teams towards unconscious competence. So how as coaches we coach our teams towards achieving what we call as unconscious competence. Do join us if you want to know more about this, if you want to learn more about the coaching styles, emotional intelligence, psychological safety, leadership coaching in our signature program, Agile Coaching Masterclass. The details of the program would be in the description link. Once again, thanks all for patiently hearing me out. This is your coach Ashutosh signing out. Thank you.